as if they were 20 feet tall. So we are at the edge of the Caheta Wilderness in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains and on the southernmost end of the Appalachian Trail up on Springer Mountain. So we have quite a bit of wildlife that we have to contend with. Everything tends to come through at night. They don't like the humans or the noise, so they stay away during the day. But the deer come in and eat the apples that are on the ground. The bear will come through occasionally and knock down a whole tree. And then the coyotes and bobcats run through about every night. We do have a problem with wild hogs, but the owner's 12-year-old son tends to take care of that one for us because they will make a mess of an orchard. The rabbits really like to eat the bark of the trees, so we put non-toxic rock paint on the bottom of the trees, and they will leave it alone because they don't like the way it tastes. Gilmer County was actually founded in 1832 by Mr. George Washington Gilmer. He was a member of the U.S. House as well as a governor of Georgia for a little while. And then our legacy as the apple capital of Georgia started in 1903 whenever Mr. John Clayton introduced apples into Gilmer County. Since his time, we've seen about 70 different varieties of apples come through our county. As a market, we sell just please be aware that we got tractors running pretty regularly right now. They're watching for tractors, sorry.